Hello everyone, welcome to this short video. I will show you quickly what I prepared today for you. It's a free visual effects material that you can use for your showreel or just to train yourself with the compositing of the CG renders. You can find it on my website. It's basically a free collection of just one frame, this helicopter. Here you can see the entire shot with the camera motion and everything. And if you download here your files, you can see it here, and you open directly your scene in Nuke, you will find all the path already set it, so you don't have to do anything about that. And this is what you will see. So you have on top your render of the helicopter with all the passes, all the distortion maps, the HDR I used for the lighting. The camera is just one frame of the camera in the 3D space, and of course at the same time also the deep information of the helicopter. Here you have all your technical passes from normal, position, UVs and some IDs. You don't have crit much in this case, but I mean, you don't need it actually for what we want to do. You have all the lighting passes, the AOVs. You don't have the light groups in this case. You have your diffuse raw or albedo, of course your diffuse, and you can get just the lights, your specular, reflection and refraction. Here you have at the same time also the ground from CG, coming from CG, and quickly this is our final render, just with simple over. What you have to do is just basically to integrate the helicopter a little bit better, try to remove a little bit of noise from the specular pass or just soften it, and try to get a really good integration of the helicopter. As you can see, our blacks are really deep, so first of all you can tweak them and just play with it, up to you. The only thing is just what I recommend, if you can, when you use it on your showreel or when you publish something on your social networks, just please write the link where you grab all the stuff, or just write my name somewhere. Really appreciate it. And if you want to play with the entire frame range, there are more or less 200 frames of this video. You can check it here. Just contact me with a private message, and I have of course the model of the helicopter, the entire footage, the camera track, the texture of the helicopter and everything, what you need to customize this shot and everything. So please send me a message if you want to play with this shot and all the elements, not just one frame. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.